Kind of looks like you.
Man, shut up. Should I get it or not?
No, no.
So we started this channel with a Minions popcorn bucket, and why ruin that tradition now? There's a new Minion popcorn bucket. Does this guy have a name? I don't know. I don't know what this guy's name. We're gonna name him Jim Bob. And Jim Bob's adorable. He's got a little phone. He's got a little guy on his head. It's a whole thing. For those who don't know about popcorn buckets, you get the bucket. It comes with a free refill for your first time. You get a discount refill after that. I don't know what people do with it. We just use it as decor back at our house. We just think it's fun and cute. But yeah, this guy's really awesome because he has a button on his little arm, his little selfie stick. Yeah, so he has a button on his little selfie stick, and if you press it, it makes the camera shutter and little flashlight. And to turn the flashlight on and off, there's a little silencer on the side of the cell phone, like a real cell phone. I mean, that's pretty cool, right, Jim Bob? Jim Bob. What's cool about Universal's popcorn buckets is they always come with this little holding thing. So Saber sometimes likes to carry them around like a purse. You would also fit whatever, I mean, you could really just put whatever in these buckets. There's a lot of space in here. You could put your phone in there, your wallet in there. Put anything in there, honestly. What would you put in here, Saber? A wallet?
And my snacks. And
your snacks. You put some candy in there. But I'm super hungry, so let's go fill this guy up with some popcorn. So we love popcorn buckets. The only problem is that the opening here is really small. So you really get to a point where you can't put your hand in there anymore to get like popcorn out of. So you really only get like half of a cup of popcorn, which kind of sucks. But do you really get the bucket for the popcorn, or do you get the bucket for the bucket? Okay. I don't know, let us know. Bucket for the bucket, or the popcorn, the bucket for the popcorn. Is that right?
Yes.
Leave it in the comments, I don't know. Does the popcorn make the bucket? I mean, does the bucket make the popcorn, or does the popcorn make the bucket?
Bubble drink.
Yes.
Oh. Does the bucket make the popcorn better?
The popcorn makes the bucket.
Oh.
I mean, he's cute, but like I'm hungry, and I love the snacks. He has the snacks, so popcorn makes the bucket.
So because he's so cute, it makes the taste of the popcorn better.
Yeah. Wow, that was really good. Yeah.
Oh.
See?
And look how happy he is to be filled up with popcorn. Oh, there you go. It kind of looks strange. It's like his guts are, you're just eating the popcorn out of his body there. Which, out of all the popcorn buckets we got, which one's your favorite?
I'm thinking back.
Uh-oh.
The egg one.
The egg bucket?
The egg one is just so funny looking. I love it.
I love the HHN one.
The one that we have to insert B-roll of our shelf of egg buckets.
We will. We got
egg buckets. Wow.
We got the car.
We got this one.
The egg.
We got the HHN one.
HHN.
I feel like we've got one more.
Do we have one more?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the one where he's in the little floaty.
Oh yeah, the summer one.
Yeah. That one was really hard to get the popcorn out of.
So we get drinks every time we come to Universal, but today is a little different because they are green. It's St. Patrick's Day and we ordered green drinks, of course. We got our fun green drinks at Finnegans, the one and only St. Patrick's Day destination here. They had live music, there were tons of people in there, all decked out in green. All the bartenders were festive and amazing. Go to Finnegans, St. Patrick's Day, it's amazing. I got margarita, which, fun fact, they can do any cocktail green if you ask. I thought it would just be like one signature beer and one signature drink that are green, but no, she says she can make anything green, so I went with my favorite, margarita. It doesn't taste any different being green, so I think it's just food coloring, but it's a pretty good margarita. For anyone that likes margaritas, this is a really good one. It's very strong. I watched her pour it, and it was a little over half alcohol, so definitely a good choice. 10 out of 10.
Is Jim Bob in the shot?
Yes.
All right. Oh, Jim Bob can't drink.
Oh, true. Let me take that.
Yeah, get Jim Bob out of here. Okay, so they gave me 3 options for which beer I wanted to turn green. There was Bud Light, Stella, and then one called Stomp or Stamp. I can't remember. So it's literally just food coloring in the beer, so nothing special, but man, do people want it. Lots of people in there. wanting the green beer, green everything. We got stopped on the streets asking where to get the green beer. It's just beer with food coloring.
But it's cool.
But it is cool, honestly. It is cool. You feel great drinking something that's green. It kind of tricks your eye because you would think it's like a green, like a sour apple type green, and you're like, okay, oh, this is something good, and it's just Bud Light. But it is refreshing. Green makes things more refreshing, right?
Is it?
No. They're also doing something at Pat O'Brien's out in City Walk for St. Patrick's Day. It's free admission. I think you just get green beer there too. And music all day long, and food. But they always serve Irish food. So, yeah. Corned beef and hash. So since it's just green, food coloring, and a normal Bud Light, I give it a 0 out of 10. Trick me one more time, Universal, and I'm never coming back. Here at the front of the park at the Universal Studios store, they have Super Mario Bros. Merchandise in preparations for the Super Mario Bros. Movie starring Chris Pratt. Sounds like I'm sponsored by them, but I'm not. They have all these little action figures here. They have Peach's Castle, they got Bowser, they have little cubes, little cube things. So these little cube things come with a little Mario or a little Princess Peach, and then they open up into like a land, I guess. And you just have them sit there. I don't know. What I was telling Saber is that I wish they were like mystery boxes where you don't know who you got, and you can either get like Luigi or Princess Peach or Mario. Why am I blanking on these names here? But Koopa Troopa? Yeah. So I wish they had like a mystery box type of deal instead of just showing you like, oh, well, here's Mario. Get him while, you know, or here's Princess Peach in front of, you know, some mushrooms. I don't know. So this Bowser thing is actually really, really cool. It's heavy, like it's really heavy. It's $45 and the mouth lights up and it has like this fire breathing effect. Honestly, this is the best thing out of everything here. Everything else here is like kind of, I would say gimmicky, but this thing is pretty sick. Oh, so you can get a bigger version of the little cubes, but this time it's a car? For some reason, is this? Oh, it's their plumbing car. Man, I need to catch up on my Super Mario Bros. But you get little Mario, and he turns into this little world. You get the little piping through the mushrooms. Pretty cool. But I don't know, how much is this thing? $40? $40 for this thing. $45 for the Bowser. I'd rather get the Bowser than this thing. Yeah.
So Mardi Gras is still going on until April 16th, so we have a whole nother month of Mardi Gras. Unfortunately, there are no more concerts, but there's live music, the parade, they throw beads, there's food. It's awesome. It's so much fun. Is that a crown cookie? Sean, will you buy me a crown cookie? So this is the crown cookie that I saw and I really, really needed. It's a shortbread cookie with the dark chocolate and the Mardi Gras themed sprinkles, purple, green, and yellow. It's just okay. It's kind of dry. It needs more icing. I don't know, maybe like a 2.5 out of 5. It's not as good as it looks. The cookie has like 0 taste. I don't know. Maybe skip this one.
So Jim Bob says I can have whatever I want today and can do whatever I want because it's St. Patrick's Day. So I got a category 5 since Saber got her crown cookie. So category 5 is a Fire's Dark Rum, a Cruzan Dark Rum, Passion Fruit, Grenadine, Orange, and Lime Juice. It's always really good. They have it at every single Mardi Gras. And it's no different. It's so tropical, it's so punchy, it's so tastes like you're on a cruise ship. It's amazing. So I was looking at Jim Bob and I noticed on his little cell phone that the batteries are not replaceable. Which is like, come on, like it looks like you could just pick up this little thing, you put one of those little watch batteries in there and then you can replace it. But I mean, I don't know who's just gonna be sitting here clicking this thing like endlessly until the battery runs out, but I guess over time, like a battery will run out and then you can't click it anymore. Come on! Jim Bob needs to live forever. It's not possible. It's very sad. I'll keep you guys updated on Jim Bob's recovery when he gets back home. I wonder how many clicks it takes before Jim Bob's phone dies. Should I just go through the entire parade until, so we can figure this out for science? No? What are you gonna do? You gonna click this when we get back home? Wow. You think he's ready for the parade?
Yeah, you didn't hear him? He's gonna take pictures and everything.
Wow. Look at him go. If you don't catch one beat around that,
right around his
around
arm.
Jim Bob or Bear Teddy Bear's head, I'm gonna be disappointed in you.
All right. I wanted him to wear it.
Put on.
Mardi Gras is our favorite time of the year. Obviously, parades, foods, drinks, beads, and little Jim Bob caught a bead. And I didn't even notice until it was too late. But he's so happy. Look at him. Could not be happier. Could not be happier to take the little pictures. He survived the entire thing. So I guess Jim Bob could stay alive forever. As long as you believe in the Jim Bobs of the world, then the Jim Bobs in the world will never let you down. Anywho's, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you love the video, hit the subscribe button. If you want to see us at Disney Springs, click the video below us. We have a playlist on Universal below that. So come watch more of us. I don't know. What do I say now? I'm just floating here now. All right, bye.